In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send Google Business Review links. If you want to make it easier for customers to leave you a review on Google, the good news is that the process is very simple. Instead of asking people to search for your business manually, you can send them a direct review link that takes them straight to the right place. This saves time, reduces confusion, and usually helps you get more reviews because the process is much more convenient for the customer. To get started, go to Google Search and make sure you're logged into the Google account that manages your Google business profile. Once you're signed in, search for your business profile, or go to the Google Business Profile Management view. From there, look for the option that says Get More Reviews or Ask for Reviews. Google may show slightly different wording depending on your account or layout, but the function is the same. When you click that option, Google will generate a direct review link for your business. This is the link you'll want to copy. It's designed to send customers directly to the review page, which makes the process much faster and more user-friendly than giving them general instructions. After copying the link, you can share it with customers in whichever way makes the most sense for your business. For example, you can paste it into an email, send it by text message, or include it in follow-up communication after a service or purchase. In some cases, Google may also provide a QR code, which is useful if you want to print it on receipts, signs, packaging inserts, or in-store materials so customers can scan it quickly with their phones. A helpful tip here is to send the review link soon after the customer has interacted with your business while the experience is still fresh in their mind. That timing often leads to a better response rate. Also, keep your message short and polite when you send the link. A simple thank you message with a clear invitation to leave feedback usually works best. And that's all there is to it. Log into your Google business profile, find the Get More Reviews or Ask for Reviews button, copy your direct review link, and send it to customers by email, SMS, or QR code. It's a quick process, and it can make a big difference in helping your business collect more Google reviews in a smooth and professional way.